Upper screws.
The bumper is attached to the top with 4 screws. Open the hood and remove the 4 screws, Torx 30 on the top. Also remove the rubber seal on the top. It is only plugged in.
Bottom screws.
On the underside, simply remove all screws that are located directly on the bumper. 2 side. Three center. Two side.
Screws to the side.
The bumper is screwed to the wheelhouse liner twice on each side. Remove both screws. In addition, the bumper is screwed directly to the fender once more. The screw is screwed from bottom to top. Remove screw. The bumper can then be pulled out of the guide from the side. This is a very tight procedure, so it's best to use a narrow spatula to help and pry the bumper out. Don't use the fender as a leverage point, only the black guide.
Removing bumper.
After removing all the screws shown, you can remove the bumper a little and unplug the fog lights. Press the lock on the side of the plug and pull the plug out. Replace parking sensors. Push the 2 holders of the sensor a little to the side. Don't bend. Press the sensor from the outside inwards and pull it out of the holder. To disconnect, pull the white lock back a bit and press it. Be careful not to lose the rubber seal.
Disassemble the front bumper into individual parts. Radiator grille.
The kidneys are only clipped in and held at the back by small hooks. Free all hooks and at the same time push the kidney outwards. This can also work with the bumper installed by reaching through the grille and trying. The chance of damaging the kidney grille is, of course, higher. However, if you only want to replace that, I would remove it with the bumper still mounted.
Fog lights.
To remove the fog lights, you must first remove the large grille. The grille is only plugged in. To remove, release all hooks and push the grille outwards. The chances of removing the grille without causing damage while the bumper is still mounted are rather slim. So, unfortunately, the bumper will have to be removed. After the grille is out, you can see the 2 screws of the fog light. Remove the screws and then pull the fog light out of the bumper. To replace the bulb, simply loosen the bumper sideways as shown in the tutorial until you can grab the lamp at the back. Then unplug the bulb and remove it from the headlight by turning it.
Trims.
The trim strips are also only inserted into the bumper and are held with hooks on the back. The strips can be removed once the bumper is mounted, but it is safer if you can access them from behind. That's it for this tutorial. All the important links and tools are in the description. Good luck with your DIY project.